A lot owner wishes to have a fence installed along the property line of common property and council. Currently, the area is open lawn. There are other fences in the complex separating common property from council boundary. Owner would like some privacy from the street and pedestrian traffic outside the house. What issues are raised in this request?
Okay, so this one you would need to really look at your strata plan or community title plan to see if putting this fence here, is it going to grant someone exclusive use of common property? Is it going to basically form a boundary around that unit where no one else has it? That would be one of the bigger questions. But then as you're installing a structure building type thing at your unit, it would need a special resolution from the corporation because it's not something that's already there. So if it's a new structure that needs to be installed, the council won't help you pay for the money. Councils aren't responsible for any fencing on their boundary at all. Just reading the question again to see if there are no other fences in the complex separating common property from councils. You would also definitely need to get council approval though for it, I believe, if there are none. You know, some areas in South Australia have rules about fences on the front lawn. You know, I know in West Lakes, when they were all built, there was no fences in front yards. I'm not sure if that's changed because you do start to see a lot of fences in the area, but it could be a council bylaw as well. So firstly, I would check with your council. And then I would see if any other owners would be sort of getting some exclusive use out of it as well.
Okay.